Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I will show you what is the difference between shallow copy and deep copy. So in the case of the shallow copy, what happens when you have one list, and if you modify the values within the list, then in case of the shallow copy, it will also copy the modified version of the original list into the copied element. While in the case of the deep copy, it's other way around. Like if you do deep copy and if you change in the original list, okay, but it will not affect the cascading new created list. Okay, so let us understand by this example. Say this is the original list, and we will import copy. Okay, so now let us try to follow first shallow copy. So in the case of this shallow copied list is equal to copy dot copy, and I will put original list. Okay, and print shallow copy list. So it is normal. Now let us understand how, if by modifying the original list. So this is my original list, and I'm trying to modify original list, second third value, and in the third element it is a list. So let me put up changes. uh, okay, I need to give the reference location first element is equal to changes. Okay, now let us check the original list, how it looks like. So here in the first element it is string. Earlier you can see here it was a 3. Okay, now let us see how it looks like in shallow copy list. So I will copy this line and I'll paste it here. So you can see here, the if you make the changes in the original list, it will also be reflected in the copied version of the list. Okay, so this is the command which we use, copy.copy, for a shallow copy. Right, now let us put it again. I'll put up original list. So you will see now it is the brand new fresh one. Now in the case of the deep copy, if you do deep copy, but it creates the replica of the original object, and even if you make any changes in original object, it will not change in the copied object, not element, copied object. Okay, so say for example, deep copied list is equal to copy dot deep copy and original. Okay, now print deep copied element object would be, yeah. So right now I have not made any amendments. Okay, now let us amend the same thing here. I will copy this code of line. Okay, now I will see how my original list look like. Now original list is changed, and I will try to check how my deep copy object look like. So here you can see in the deep copy object there is no change in the first element of the you know third element of the list. So this is 0 1 and 2, this is index number, and 1 2 and 3, this is third element. So third element is a list. Here it is changed in the original, but it is not changed. So this is a basic difference between shallow copy and deep copy. Hope you like this video. Thank you very much for watching this video.